This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the TV model and power state because codes vary by model. Once done, find the model number on the back label or in the on-screen menu. Write it down. Make sure you have a smartphone with a universal remote app or an infrared adapter ready. Then power cycle the TV by unplugging for 10 seconds and plugging back in. This resets temporary states and reveals startup LEDs or sounds that will help in the pairing process. Now you use the app to perform a manual code search because automatic matching often fails. First, connect the app to any IR adapter or scan the local network if the TV is smart. The app will list compatible brands. Once connected, point your phone at the TV and run the app's code scan feature. Press the app's next /scan control to cycle codes slowly while watching for a channel change or volume response. If the TV reacts, stop and save the code immediately. Finish by confirming the discovered code across multiple functions so you don't get a partial match. You should test power, volume, input, and channel keys. If one function fails, try the next matching code in the app because some TVs use separate codes per function. If nothing works, switch apps or use the manufacturer's app and repeat the power cycle and scan. One key troubleshooting tip: if the TV is on a different firmware or locked mode, reboot network and try again. This often restores discoverability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.